I'm trying this old clamp, framing clamp that was my grandfather's. It's a Stanley number 400, and I haven't used it for this kind of clamping before, but I want to do it this time and see how it works. I've got this tightened down. I've got some Titebond original glue here, and I'll coat this face, both faces, really. And I can't get much glue on that back there in that slot, but I'll put glue on the spline here, coat it well. It's a 1/8 thick spline. Okay, leave that right there. Pull this up into position and see if I can pull that clamp down. And let me see then if I can drive this spline back in there. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for about an hour or so. This is just the original Titebond, so in a half an hour it's pretty much fixed. So then I can move on to another spline, another corner, possibly, after about an hour.